Well, the main differences between China, India, and Pakistan have to do with the character of their principal adversaries, or more specifically, the identity of their principal adversaries. China is building capabilities primarily to deal with the United States, and secondarily to deal with regional threats, some of whom are allies of the United States. So China needs to develop a set of missile capabilities that span the entirety of range, because there are some adversaries that are close to China, and the principal adversary, the United States, is very far from China. India and Pakistan, in contrast, have to deal with adversaries that are closer to home. So for Pakistan seeks to build missile capabilities that can range primarily India, but I assess that Pakistan also has the United States in its peripheral vision, and over a period of time will attempt to build some kinds of missile capabilities that can hold either US forces in the region at risk, and over the long term, perhaps even the homeland itself. Whether Pakistan will pursue this particular set of capabilities resolutely is anyone's guess. But Pakistan certainly contemplated acquiring these capabilities in the last decade. When you think of India, the primary targets for India's missile buildup are essentially China and Pakistan. And that takes India in two different directions. Relatively shorter range missiles vis-a-vis Pakistan, and a longer range set of missiles vis-a-vis China. And the longer range missiles vis-a-vis China are required basically because the Chinese landmass is huge, and most of the critical targets in China are very far from where India's missile forces are located. And so India needs missiles that come close to intercontinental range in order to hold Chinese targets at risk. So that's the principal similarities and differences between the three countries.